Alright, this is a video on how to make the best paper airplane glider. So first what you're going to do is fold it long ways in half. Make sure it's pretty even. You don't have to make it too good, but grease it down pretty good. And then you're going to open it back up. Fold it like a regular airplane in an arrow shape. And it's okay if your point's a little off, because that won't really matter in the end. So it doesn't really matter if it's a little off. So then what you're going to do is you're going to fold it down. So you're going to fold it so it's diagonal across. And then you're going to fold it down. So it's horizontal about the second line down. Okay, and then the crease that you made earlier, that when you folded it in half, you're gonna fold it a second time on that same line, straight down, like that. So you're just gonna fold it over again on the same line. Okay, and then you're gonna do the same with the other side. And then like that. So you're going to have both of these fold down on your line. Okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to fold the triangle that you had right here. You're going to fold it up and crease it. Then what you're going to do is you're going to grab it and you're going to fold it like this. And your triangle's here. So you fold that back in, and then you fold it like that. Crease it. Make sure your edges are lined up. You don't have to be perfect. So you line that up. And then you just fold it. Okay. And then what you're going to do is you're going to fold it about halfway. Like that. Do the same with the other side. Okay, now that you have that, then you're going to fold it the second time in half, or 3/4 of the way down. So like that. And then the same with the other side. Okay, so you did that. So, and then what I do is I put a staple in the front, right there, just before the beginning of the tip of the plane, and not too much in the middle. So about right there. And then what you want to do is you want to add side flaps, so like that. Same with the other side. Okay, so you're like that. And then when you fly it, keep it bent up. It helps. Alright, let's give it a test flight. Alright. Yeah.